life is full of challenges. Hard times can come unexpectedly. Building resilience helps us face these difficulties and come out stronger. Today we will learn simple and practical ways to build resilience during tough moments. First, understand what resilience means. Resilience is the ability to recover from setbacks, stress, or failure. It is not about avoiding problems, but about bouncing back and moving forward. One important step to build resilience is to accept your feelings. It is okay to feel sad, angry, or scared during difficult times. Do not ignore your emotions. Recognize them and allow yourself to feel. This helps you understand your situation better and prepares you to take action. Next, focus on what you can control. Hard times often come with many uncertainties. Instead of worrying about things you cannot change, concentrate on small actions you can take. For example, keeping a daily routine, staying active, or learning a new skill. Taking small steps every day builds your confidence and strength. Another key factor is to stay connected with others. Talking to friends, family, or support groups can make a big difference. Sharing your thoughts and feelings helps reduce stress and gives you new perspectives. Remember, you are not alone in facing difficulties. Taking care of your body is also essential. Eat healthy foods, get enough sleep, and exercise regularly. Physical health affects mental strength. When your body feels good, your mind is clearer and more positive. Also, practice positive thinking. Try to focus on the good things in your life, no matter how small. Keep a gratitude journal where you write down things you are thankful for each day. This simple habit can change your mindset and increase your resilience. Set realistic goals and be patient with yourself. Building resilience takes time. Celebrate your progress, even if it is small. Remember, every step forward counts. Finally, learn from your experiences. Hard times teach valuable lessons. Reflect on what you have learned and how you can grow. This helps you prepare better for future challenges. In summary, building resilience during hard times involves accepting your emotions, focusing on what you can control, staying connected, taking care of your body, thinking positively, setting goals, and learning from experiences. By practicing these steps every day, you can become stronger and more prepared to handle whatever life brings your way.